is going on, y'all? Good morning. We got the wheels and the tires loaded up. 17 by 10 billet specialties. Got something coming up for Outcast. If you guys are seeing this, you guys are about to see how we mount these babies. These are gonna look real nice. Everything loaded up in Cliff. About to go head to work. Early mornings, gotta go get to that bread. You already know. Cliff looking real good. Mine's 17. We're gonna be done on that. Got these from Walmart for a steal. Fresh out the box. We're about to finish mounting the rest of these, balancing them. We'll show y'all how they come out. Just finished up cleaning all the boxes and stuff. That's how we're looking. All mounted and balanced up. These things are looking nice, bro. They're gonna look real nice on the project. Outcast is gonna be looking sick, bro. Check them babies out. New valve stems. Things are set.
Yo, what up, y'all? We just mounted these 17 by 10 billet specialties. These are the street light, and we also mocked up our ground effects body kit. This thing looks insane. Talk about a wide body Hellcat. This thing's got it beat. 90s, we're bringing it back. And if you are loving this 90s build on Outcast, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and do everything you can to support this build. We are going crazy. We are not holding back. Everyone's got SS clones. Bullshit, I don't want to hear it. This is your OG ground effects body kit, 17 by 10. Nice little tires on there. We're going dummy. Stay tuned, y'all.